Hello and welcome back to GeoVox 24. Today, we are discussing an unexpected diplomatic clash between Donald Trump and Giorgia Meloni. What started as a dispute over who requested a photo at the G7 summit quickly turned into a public exchange of accusations, with both leaders questioning each other's popularity and credibility. So, what exactly happened, and why has a simple photograph become an international political controversy? Let's take a closer look. What started as a disagreement over a photo at the G7 summit has turned into a public political clash between Donald Trump and Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni. At the center of the controversy is one question: who wanted the photo? Trump claimed that during the G7 summit in France, Meloni repeatedly asked to take pictures with him. According to Trump, she wanted the images to help boost her popularity in Italy and repair her relationship with Washington. But Trump didn't stop there. In his latest comments, Trump doubled down and suggested Meloni's political standing was slipping. He argued that she wanted the photo because she believed appearing alongside him would help her popularity at home. Trump also mocked the idea of rebuilding ties, saying she wants to be friends again. No thanks. He repeated that she asked for the photo over and over. Meloni responded immediately and sharply. She called Trump's version completely made up and said she was stunned a US president would speak this way about an ally. She rejected the idea and her political support depends on foreign approval and repeated her now widely quoted line, "Neither I nor Italy ever beg." Then Meloni delivered her own personal job. Responding directly to Trump's comments about popularity, she said he should focus on his own popularity instead of hers. She described his attacks as senseless and unprovoked, arguing that targeting allies only weakens America's relationships abroad. And that's why this story has become bigger than a photo. Trump and Meloni were once seen as close ideological allies. Meloni attended Trump's inauguration and had often tried to position herself as Europe's bridge to Washington. But disagreements over Iran foreign policy and now this very public exchange have exposed a deeper political split. There's still no public evidence showing who initiated any photo requested at the summit. But what began as a symbolic moment at the G7 has become a public test of a relationship that once looked unusually strong.